everybody. Back at
Keep track of your time on this, your bill here.
just got back to the bore site that we did yesterday for the second half, another 100 yards. Waiting to get rolling while he primes up the pump truck. Figured take a minute to talk to you guys. There's everybody kind of getting ready. Almost time to get rolling here. No rest for the wicked. Give you guys a different shot of the pump truck. When he primes it, he'll put a slurry mix in, get it mixed up, prime the lines up off the site, and once he's got the slurry through and some concrete, then he'll swing the pump arm over to where they're going to start, and away we go. Hope everybody has a great day today. And thank you all for watching. I'm not going to keep filming because there's really nothing going on right now. Videos to come. Thank y'all.